Alright, so we're going to be looking at basic formulas in Excel. Um, let's do some calculation here using the sum, average, mean, and max. Now, sum is to get the total of any variables, like what we have here. We want to get the total price of everything here. So all I need to do is to use the sum formula. I'll come to the bottom of this. Okay, let me just format this with something different. Let's say this. Okay, something light. Let me use this. So this will be a total. So I'll use the equal sign. That's the first thing. Then put the sum. Put the bracket. Then I'm going to highlight the range. The range I want to sum up. So from this to this, so then I'm just going to click this, then drag down up to this 100 here. Then I'll click enter. It will sum up everything. So this is the total price of all we have here. So that's to get the sum. Now let's look at average. Now let's say the average price of all we have here. All I need to do is come here or use the different, let's say sum. Okay, my sum will be here, the average will be here, then mean, max. Now I can perform the same or use the same formula I used here. I just come in here, like use the equal sign, then type the form. What's the range? The range is from here to here. To here. And all I need to do, click enter. Okay, I'm having error. What's the problem here? Because there's no equal sign. Rather, the bracket. I have to put the bracket, then use the range, then close up. So that's it. Let me expand this. Now for the average, all I need to do is equal sign, then put my average. Yeah, average. Is already here, so I need to just click, then the range. I need to get the average within this range to the same thing, then click. So the average price is 96.199. Now let's look at the minimum. Now mean means minimum. What's the minimum price here? That is the smallest price. All I need to do is also use the equal sign, then put the minimum formula, then the range also from here to here. I'm going to get the range. Now from here, from this range down here, we have a 12.35 as the smallest, that is the minimum price. I want to get the maximum. All I need to do is use the word maximum function, which is max, then close the bracket, open bracket rather, then get the range to give me, then enter. So the maximum value here is 100. So I want to count that how many. Now counting here using the count for formula is to count the number of times something appeared. You understand? So the total count, let me see, equals to count, then open your brackets. I want to get the count here. The count is 20. Count is 20. Just put my count here. Yeah. So count here is 20. That is the value, rather the number is 20. So there were 20 price. Yeah, we have 20 prices here. Why the minimum? So that's how these are the basic formulas in Excel. Let's see if we can look at other formulas. We can just play around with other formula. Okay. Or rather, let's go beyond this column. Now if I want to get the minimum value across all range, across all range. All I need to do is come here. Okay, minimum value across all range. Now this is across all range, right? All range. Maybe let me put the value here. I just put equal sign. Don't forget the minimum value formula. Then don't forget it's across all range, that is from this place to here, the entire range. So all I need to come here, then enter. You can see the minimum value is 1. You can also decide to look at the maximum value across all range. And let me put the formula here, equals to max across all range. I didn't put my opening brackets. Always remember to put your opening unless you get error. So now you can see the highest or maximum value across all ranges 10,329. So these are the basic formulas. The other complex formula, as we proceed, you get to know them. So these are basic formula or operations you can perform in Excel. So that's that on that.